Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many users face when re-imaging their system. So, the problem at hand is that after restoring a backup and trying to transfer Firefox bookmarks, the browser kept crashing every 5 minutes, which was definitely not ideal. Now, let's dive into the solution. The first step is to locate the file pre-class equals laying sh pretty print override c /users / and lt username and gt /appdata /roaming /mozilla /firefox /profiles and lt profile folder and gt /places.sqlite. This file contains all your bookmarks and history data, and by finding the right one, you can potentially resolve the issue causing Firefox to crash. Moving on with the solution for Ubuntu users, the file path to look for is pre-class equals laying sh pretty print override home and lt username and gt .mozilla firefox and lt profile folder and gt places.sqlite. Once you locate this file, you could try copying it to your current profile folder and see if it resolves the crashing issue. It's a straightforward yet effective way to transfer your bookmarks without the risk of corruption. Continuing with the solution, if you're dealing with a snap installed Firefox, head over pre-code home and lt username and gt snap firefox command .mozilla firefox and lt profile folder in gt code pre in search of the codeplaces.sqlite code file. By following these steps and locating the right file, you can potentially import your bookmarks successfully without the risk of Firefox crashing constantly. In summary, by locating and transferring the codeplaces.sqlite code file from the appropriate profile folder, you can effectively resolve the issue of importing bookmarks without facing crashes in Firefox. I hope this solution helps you get back to smoothly browsing with all your saved bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.